What do we have here? Okay, see the birds are thirsty. Let me give them water. How do I do? Okay, this way. Okay, here. That is good. I think I did it. So here is water. Okay. So guys, just want to show you. Look at my chicken. These are Kuroilers. They are 100 in number, and they are really doing well, as you can see. This is their 7th week. Very excited. Their growth rate, you can see this one even has this hump, which is a good indicator of good health. Even you can see the legs. Yeah. So guys, I think there's a lot I've learned from this project, and I'm motivated to do more. Let me show you one of my biggest bags. This one, you can see. Wow, can you believe it? It was just completing the 7th week, and this looks good. So guys, yeah, I brought these birds last month. They were 100 from Chick Masters. Chick Masters is a reputable company. I think it's also good for all farmers to understand that if you have to do this business right, you need to consider where you get your stock from. Look at this. Look at this. So as you can see in the house, they kind of congested. This is a small room. We're just putting them here for brooding. Our idea was they will stay here for 1 month, then we'll be moving them to a new house. But we had delays in the construction. I'm expecting by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we'll be moving them to a new house. The house is almost complete. I'll show you when I move them to the new house. And with all of this, I'm very excited with the birds, as you can see. I like this color. We're very excited. Our new poultry unit is almost at the capacity of 300. We are looking at stocking at least 300 birds come middle of next month, and we're hoping that will take us up to December, which is a very good time for poultry farmers. Yeah, the way the birds are really, I'm excited and I'm motivated. So there are the number of things I think that from the time go when the birds came, we have done that will put us this far, and we are still in the journey because there are a lot of things that we need to do right if we are to see our birds reach up to October. October is actually our planned month for which we intend to have this bird sold off. And looking at the time we have now, roughly we have like 2 months, something like that, to have this bird sold off. So when you look at these birds are still 1 month and some weeks. So projecting at how they will grow, you can clearly see by October these are going to be very big birds. And if we are lucky, to be able to grow, to take all this 100 to October, I think we shall make some good time, I believe. That's one exciting thing about poultry, of course. You can see where we are heading to. So, guys, this is urban farming. This is business I think anyone can do at any space or any place, as long as you have a place like this. You can see this room is a small room. What matters is you getting some basic knowledge and knowing how to do things right. I believe everyone can do this kind of enterprise in their backyard or just their homestead. And one important thing also is you realize these products these guys are local hybrids. They do well when they're scavenging freely. We intend to release them out when they're 2 months, because we want to take the first 2 months seriously. And I will show you when these birds will be released out. Probably in the next 2 weeks, they should be able to see the outside environment. Guys, I'm excited. I see they're eating something here. You see, this is the problem when you don't give them feeds on time. I think we didn't give them the feeds on time, and this they are trying to eat this, and this can cause problems. So these are challenges we face because the room is small. It's kind of like makes management hard, but as I said, we are moving these birds very soon, and we hope that you'll be following the progress and also take some lesson for yourself. And yeah, you can do the same thing, and maybe who knows, this is how you can try to earn extra income. Thank you. See you again.